Welcome to Taraba News, the voice of Tarabans. The headline: Tsohon Takum distributes relief material donated by Governor Abu Kefas to the 4 wards of Takum affected by windstorm. The Tsohon Takum, His Royal Highness Ephraim Bala Ashumanu II, yesterday distributed relief materials and food items donated by the Executive Governor of Taraba State, Dr. Abu Kefas, to the councillors and traditional rulers across the 4 wards affected by the windstorm on Tuesday in Takum local government area of Taraba State. The people, overwhelmed with joy, appreciated Governor Abu Kefas for the relief materials sent to them and prayed God to bless him and strengthen him to move Taraba forward.